Good afternoon from Disney's Art of Animation. Today we took the bus from Disney Springs over here to this resort, and now we are going to walk around the car section a little bit before getting on the Skyliner today. So if you are new to this channel, I hit the subscribe button with bell notifications because we post videos on here all the time about different areas around Orlando.
And then him bumped into something.
We're at Radiator Springs. A happy place. Let's go find some more cars.
And that place is bound him help that guy, and him didn't know his name. He didn't know his name? Yeah.
When you walk along the sidewalk, it looks like a road.
Me.
The bunny rabbit. Bye-bye. Disney Skyliner. So this one goes to the Caribbean Beach Resort and transfers to Hollywood Studios and the Riviera Resort and Epcot. We're going to get on the Skyliner first.
Look at the turtle, guys.
Wow.
Oh,
It's a big one. It's a big turtle right there.
that's like the kind I caught the other day. It's a bass, too.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Here is a napping turtle. Mommy, here is a napping turtle.
There he is. Hey, let's go get on.
For your safety, please remain seated, supervise children, and refrain from smoking in the cabins. Thank you. Para su seguridad, por favor, permanezcan sentados, supervisen a sus niños y absténganse de fumar en la cabina. Gracias. For your safety, please remain seated, supervise children, and refrain from smoking in the cabins. Thank you. Para su seguridad,
They really do have an alarm going off. We don't have anything. We stopped! Uh-oh.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot International Gateway. We are now gliding over Hourglass Lake. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
I can feel the air from this.
See alligators?
I can feel it. Ow, baby.
I saw a duck.
Stop it.
I seen a fish. There's a bird.
There's a bowling pin.
Yeah, I see it. Only way we want to go bowling. You know the seat is a dog. We're going back up. Oh. Here we go. We're almost there. So high up.
We are transferring to a different Skyliner. We're going to the Riviera Resort.
I think we can stay on this next one instead of getting off.
This goes to the Riviera and Epcot. We are at the International Gateway.
Please remain seated. Supervise children and refrain from
I think
smoking
it's
in
like
the
a
cabins.
Give you a little peek around.
Para su seguridad, por favor, permanezcan sentados. Supervisen a sus niños y absténganse de fumar en la cabina. Gracias.
This one goes pretty high.
We're in the turning station. All we're gonna do is turn. Over here beside the Swan and Dolphin and Hollywood is to the left, straight on to Epcot. I can already see the Eiffel Tower in France. We're gonna go right beside the France Pavilion.
Oh. Fine.
Coming into view is Disney's Boardwalk Inn and Disney's Boardwalk Villas. From elegant dining and magical lounges to lively entertainment just off the shores of Crescent Lake, this charming seaside resort relives the golden era of Atlantic beach towns and turn-of-the-century amusement parks.
That's where we went.
We just got off a Skyliner over here. See it go across the lake. Over here we have some beautiful flowers. And a boat is gonna go by. And then this walkway over here goes to the Boardwalk. And then your hotels over there, Yacht Club and Beach Club Resort. And then if you continue walking to the Disney Swan and Dolphin Resorts as well. We're on the Friendship boats right now. And there are plastic partitions in between each row of seats. And the windows are tinted for the sun's flares. And it wasn't a very long wait at all. The line looked long, but we got right on. So now we're going to take our scenic boat ride over to see some more Disney resorts.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are coming up on our first resort stop, the Boardwalk. I'd like everyone on board to be aware that this...
We are on the boardwalk now, and we are hungry. So we are going to order some pizza at this little store down here. Can't remember what it's called. Let's go find out. We're going to see if they have any gluten-free options as well. I think it's just called Boardwalk Pizza. So we're gonna stand in line. It looks like large pepperoni, $22.99. Large veggie, same price. They have a large sausage and mushroom is $22.99. And then the large cheese pizza is $20.99. They have bottled water and pop. And they are open from noon to 10 p.m.
A half pepperoni and a half cheese, please. A large and a 4 complimentary ice waters.
You will exit door. They will give you.
Oh.
So we were going to get some complimentary ice waters, and so they told us to go ahead and go to the bakery over here and get our ice waters because it'd be a lot faster. So right here next to us is the bakery. We're going to go get our water in here. Created by some delicious goodies. I think that brownie looks really yummy.
Wait, you guys got ready something too though?
Sandwiches, salads, and they have lots of gluten-free options as well. Hey, paging Mr. Morrow. Hi.
Good, how are you? Oh, good.
We're walking along the boardwalk, and we just saw Paging Mr. Morrow. I don't think I got it on film, but we did walk by and we did say hello, and he said hello, and we're looking for a table to sit at to eat our pizza that we just ordered. And so we were walking back and forth, and we finally found an empty one. But when we came back one more time, we saw him again, and he's like, bye, have a nice day. So we saw Paging Mr. Morrow, didn't we, Sissy?
Yeah, we did.
And we're waiting for our cheese and pepperoni pizza. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
What does he want?
We got some pepperoni and some cheese pizza. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
It's very hot.
Need
Yummy.
cheese. Lots of cheese.
And it says, we hope you're hungry. Oh boy, pizza's here. Let's eat. Something smells good. It's very, very hot.
Can we put on the sand a little bit?
You want to play on the sand?
Yeah.
Just like we did yesterday at the beach?
Yeah, can we?
Not today, honey.
Please.
We got done with our pizza, and it was really good. Really good pizza there. Very cheesy. I loved it. So now we're just walking along. On the other side of the boardwalk where the resorts are, we wanted to take a peek at the pool here with the big pirate ship. There's the slide that goes across the walkway. And then here's the beach area. Yeah, swim here. but you can go over there and play in the sand, sit in the lounge chairs. And there's a little lighthouse where you can get on some boats. Just relaxing and very peaceful and quiet out here, yet so extremely close to Epcot. Right there is the ship, and we're going to try to go over here.
And they just went down the slide.
And this pool has a sand bottom. Have some walls up here. Please pardon our appearance. This area is being reserved just for your future enjoyment. Looks like they're redoing the sidewalk area here. It's gonna be nice.
Yes, that would be pescatarian. Mickey and Sandcastle.
That's right, Mickey in a sandcastle right there. Here's another sandcastle.
Ooh.
There's the pool out these doors. It's a slide. Oh, there's a seashell right there. So I have been trying to get reservations for that place for a week now, but it is so popular that people make reservations 60 days ahead of time. So we have not been able to eat at that restaurant yet, but I heard it was very good, and they have amazing ice cream there, of course, but they have food as well. I'm going to continue trying to get reservations there, so we'll see. Sometime in the future, we will go. We had a really good time riding the Skyliner, and we checked out the Boardwalk and the Yacht Club, and we ate some very yummy pizza, and it was just called Pizza at the Boardwalk. And then we took the bus back to Disney Springs, and now we're ready to go home. We had a really great time, and now it's your family time. Bye.